What is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today I want to give you a quick pre-market update, go over some of the hot movers and what big money is doing today. Before I get into any of that, make sure to hit that thumbs up, and with that, let's get right to it. On a side note, I'm not at home, so sorry for the bad internet, and that's why I'm not really showing my face right now. But yeah, aside from that, getting right to it though, today is going to be a very epic day, not because of the data points that are coming out today, but rather because of the elections. And you might have some chatter essentially about Powell cutting 25 basis points tomorrow, but most likely it is just going to be this. Market is absolutely loving it right now. You can even tell that based on Sofi. It's up 5.43%. Give you a quick overview of what the actual futures are doing right now. So it looks like futures are obviously green, but NASDAQ 1.48, S&P 2.2, and then Dow 3.07. So yeah, today is going to be probably the best day in a very long time for the market. So SoFi is up obviously because even Anthony Noto stated that if Trump was to win, that would cause a very positive reaction to the finance sector. Some points to watch for though, with it 12.04, it is trading between this R2 and R1. So $11.58 is that strong support. 12.51 is going to be the next strong target / resistance. So starting off, welcome to the 12s, new 52-week high for SoFi. So today's going to be a pretty epic day. Opposite is happening for Smci. So they did have their earnings, missed on earnings per share, beat on revenue though, but that's even if you do believe them. I think a lot of people are just saying that they made up their numbers, and even more so aside from that, with NVDA kind of moving away from fulfilling super microcomputers orders. Like, that shows more of a domino effect, what's going to really hurt them down the line. So that's one thing to watch for. If you do like punishment and you want to trade this company with $22.91, it is trading between this S1 and S2. So 26.71 is going to be the next strong target / resistance. 21.19 will be the next strong support. NIO. So I do cover NIO under Financial Journey. A lot of people said that Trump getting in power wouldn't affect NIO. I stuck to my guns and kept saying yes it would. Well, clearly here's a good representation of that. And so ultimately, with it at $4.96, it is trading between this pivot and this S1. So 489 is a strong support, and then 581, which I don't anticipate to be touched whatsoever, is going to be the next strong target / resistance. So I think right now, with Trump kind of winning, I think this might be the dagger for NIO to really keep it in the fours. But also at the same time, it is breaking down on the technical level, so below that 50-day moving average now and 200, so it's not great. Moving over to Tesla, of course, just with Elon and his role in the election, it's up a lot, so 12.83%. And if you're looking at trading it with it right now at $283, it is trading between this R3 and R2. So 306 is going to be the next strong target. 283, just watch for that to kind of hold. In my opinion, I think it's going to just flirt with that a little bit and then kind of trade between this R2 and R1, only because 13% is kind of extreme, but what do I know, right? Market could just surprise everyone and just go up so much more, 300s and whatever else. And Bitcoin has been running like a madman, so as a byproduct, Mara is going up. So yeah, honestly, this is a hot one, any miner in general, but these stocks that I'm talking on are getting a abnormal amount of volume, so that's always something to kind of consider. A lot of people like to follow what big money is doing. Right now, with at $17.90, it is trading between this R1 and the pivot. So $19.14 will be the next strong target. I can't see that being touched today. Flip side, $17.13. So similar to Tesla, I think it's going to flirt with that a little bit and possibly trade between kind of the higher end right here. So just around that pivot point. So nonetheless, fun day ahead. I'll try and do some videos, SoFi videos and whatever else, but Yeah, so let me know your thoughts. What stocks are you buying, or are you selling? Are you locking into profits with covered calls? What's your thoughts on all that? Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I always greatly appreciate that. And with all that, appreciate all of you watching.